Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. This is the marketplace free content for the month of August 2021. This month, the folks at Epic Games are giving us 5 free contents that you can work with and 1 permanently free content. Starting off, there is this beautiful advanced female customization tool that you would need if you're working with Unreal Engine. This is definitely one of the tools that I would suggest that you grab for this month, as it is extremely impressive. The ultimate character creation tool allows you to make up to 10,000 different female characters. You can clothe them, you can texture them, and you can do so many things. You can take a look at some of the previews that we have here, as you can get ninja assassin characters, medieval characters, and so much more. Customization for this is full body, and you can also do some facial and some nice hair customizations as well. In terms of makeup, you can also tweak these things to get the most out of it. And for those that are thinking about the technical details that are related to this, there is actually a whole lot. I think this is one of the crown tools that you'll be getting for this month, as you can take a look at the technical details that deals with rigs that you can work with, as this is being rigged fully with Epic Games Skeleton. And in terms of working with these outside your 3D app, you can also retarget this by simply using Mixamo and also Mannequin. There is a couple of documentation that you might want to take a look at that is right here. And for textures, you're getting textures from 1K all the way to 4K. So huge stuff from the folks at Hero's Journey. And for those that are looking for advanced female customization tool, this is one that you should definitely take a look at. Next up, we have an in-game level editor. Now you want to create a level, but you don't want to script this, you don't want to go to a different app, you want to make these things directly in Unreal Engine. The in-game level editor allows you to create levels in your game, as you do not need to understudy the blueprint to actually make this one happen. So this is a very interactive tool that you can work with, and in most cases you would have some modular terrains and geometry that you can tweak and achieve some very impressive results. So for anyone that is looking for something like this, you may also want to come through and grab it this month, as it is available for Unreal Engine 4.22 users all the way to 4.26. And as we speak about things that are available for Unreal Engine users, the Lowe's 8 elements is made available by Lowe's. Right now he's giving out these elements that he has created for free, as it is known as 4 elements and 4 more elements packages that you can use for anything. Now, if you're looking for things like ice defense, you're looking for light defense, or maybe you just want to create some sort of blast, this is right here for you to come through and pick up. In total, you'll be getting 32 different emitters, 42 materials, 43 instances, 53 static meshes, and also 67 textures that ranges from 512 all the way to 4K that you can use. So beautiful stuff from Lowe's. And for those that are looking for nice effects tools that they might want to use for their Unreal Engine game, this is one that I would recommend for you. Moving forward, we also have the Modular Sci-Fi office, and this office is part of the Skyfall Restoration Complex. Now there's a whole story behind this, but the interior looks extremely beautiful. You may want to come through and understudy how this one works, and maybe if you like to grab a couple of assets from here, you can also proceed to do that. For those who like to also set up a tiny scene here, maybe you want to use this for some visualization, this is very beautiful, and you can see all of the nice features and things that you can grab out of this. In terms of things that you'll be getting from here, the number of meshes you'll be having is 200, number of textures is 254, and the number of materials that have been tweaked into this are 346. You might also want to take a look at the 19 set of blueprints that exist, and in case of texture resolution, this is cranking all the way from 256 to 4K. So with that said, let's take a look at something that deals more with animation. The root motion guide is here, and Juicically has actually made this one available for those who have issues controlling the root animation with Unreal Engine. So the root animation guide actually helps you to use your root motion animation in games, and it provides you various tools for using Mixamo animation. Now there's a couple of videos that he has already set up here, so just in case you want to study more on this and you want to become better, then you might also want to grab this and consider taking a look at the videos. In terms of things that you'll be getting with this, there is no blueprint that comes with this. Rather, this actually relies on C++ classes, which is about 21 to actually work. This is supported for Windows and no other platform at this point. This is one that you should consider taking a look at. And finally, we have our permanently free contents for the month, which is the Landscape Pro 2.0 auto-generated materials. So if you're looking for high quality landscape materials with lots of features and many meshes and textures that you you can use, then this is one that I would suggest that you grab. And it's very interesting to see that this month we are getting a landscape tool that doesn't just give you landscape, but also gives you a couple of features that deals with layers that you can tweak. In terms of the things that you'll be getting with this one as well, as features include 26 materials, 173 textures, 86 meshes, and there is a whole lot of things that includes demonstration levels, materials, texture cubes, landscape layers, and much more. This is currently supported for both Windows and also for Mac, and you'll be able to grab this if you're working with Unreal Engine 4.18 all the way to Unreal Engine 4.26. So this is more like it. For those who would like to grab this, you can simply go over to the link in the description and take a look at all of this beautiful stuff that is available for this month of August, and grab this while this exists right here. A huge shout out to the folks at Epic Games and also the creators of these amazing tools for making this possible. And of course, tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.